Hi everyone, it's Jonathan here. It's December 10th, 2011. The numbers have come in for November, and I'm going to read them to you. These numbers, again, they're very, very similar to the October numbers. Market continues going up, prices continue going up, sales continue going up relative to last year. So the November numbers, the sales have increased by 11% this year from last year. New listings are up 14% from this year than last year, and the average price is up by 9.8% from this year and last year. I know that those are huge numbers. Things have been going up, and they're sort of unexplainable. The only reason they have been going up, in my opinion, is because there are more buyers than sellers out on the market. When that happens, obviously, it becomes a seller's market in the sense that the sellers can dictate what the price is, because there's so many buyers who are willing to, bid on a house, who want to be in the market and are willing to pay top prices for these houses. The reason there's so many buyers, as always, is because interest rates are low, historically low, and they're not going anywhere. I actually attached at the bottom there on my page, I attached a link to an article. It's basically by the Bank of Canada, and they're announcing what's going to happen to the interest rates in 2012. At the beginning of 2011, they said that the interest rates were going to increase at least 2-3 times this year. They haven't been touched. Further, they're not going to be touched next year at all. If interest rates continue remaining low, houses continue being more and more desirable to buyers because of the cheap monthly payment that they will pay due to the low interest rates. So what that's going to do to the housing market is pretty much keep it the way it is in terms of high prices, or prices will continue going up. I don't think they're going to continue going up as fast and as much as they have in the last year and a half, because also the average listing is starting to increase. So there are more houses on the market, and also because I think we've reached a point where it's starting to become unaffordable, very unaffordable. Buyers can buy up to a certain amount. After, if they can't afford it anymore, they can't buy anymore. So I think the market's going to be hot. We're going to have another robust year in 2012. I think the prices may go up, and if they do, there'll be a little bit. I don't think there'll be drastic increases. But if anybody's waiting for a correction, I don't think it's going to happen. Interest rates are low. They're going to remain low as long as Europe continues with their instability. Canada in itself is going to be afraid, and they're going to keep the interest rates low. Also, the United States, that's a huge dictator or indicator of what happens to our interest rates. If our interest rates go up, that strengthens our dollar, the Canadian dollar. So the Canadian dollar will increase relative to the American dollar. If that happens, then the United States will stop buying from us, because it'll be too expensive it'll be too expensive for them to buy from us if we have a higher dollar. That being said, because we export about 80% of all our products to the United States, it wouldn't be good if they stopped buying from us. So there's many reasons why the interest rates have to stay low. There's many reasons why they're going to keep them low, and that in turn will affect the real estate market in increasing prices. So that'll continue. If you want to read about this commentary, you can go onto my blog, which is at the bottom of my page as well. Just click on it and you'll have written documentation on everything that I said, including stats. If you have any questions at all, post a comment, send me an email. My email address is there, whatever you like. That's it for now. I hope that you guys have a fantastic holiday season and a great new year, and we'll see you again in the new year. Okay? Take care. Thank you.